Almost everything in tech got cheaper. Computing, storage, reading a strand of DNA, all falling year after year. But one curve went the other way, the cost of inventing a new medicine. It's climbed so reliably, for so long, it earned a name. Eroom's law. Look closely, it's Moore's law, spelled backwards. And that's the whole story, Moore's law in reverse. Every 9 years or so, drug research gets twice as expensive for the same result. So how do you measure that? Take $1 billion of research money and count the new drugs that come out the far end. In 1950, that billion bought about 45, the golden age. Then it fell. Not in a crash, a slow, relentless slide, cut in half about every 9 years. By 2010, that same $1 billion, adjusted for inflation, bought fewer than one, around 80 times worse than where it began. Here's the part that breaks your brain. All of it happened while the science got staggeringly better. Gene sequencing, robotic screening, supercomputers, record money pouring in. Yet fewer drugs per dollar, not more. The harder we tried, the worse the math got. Now lay it beside the curves you know. Reading a genome fell from billions of dollars to a few hundred. Storage, computing, they collapse too. But those fall because we're winning, cheaper is better. This one falls because we're losing, fewer cures per dollar. Same shape, opposite meaning. So what does one new drug cost? Honestly, it depends entirely on what you count. Count single successes, and one study says about 650 million. Count the failures and a decade of tied up money, and another says 2.6 billion. There's no single true number, and either way, it's staggering. Lately, something's stirring. A wave of new approvals, and a bet that artificial intelligence can crack what humans keep failing at. Maybe it finally bends the curve back. But Eroom's law has swallowed every miracle tool we've thrown at it so far. For 70 years, we got better at almost everything, except the one thing that matters most, turning money into cures. Whether artificial intelligence finally flips this curve is the trillion-dollar question, all on one timeline.